Going viral on Instagram doesn't have to be a mystery. It's not a rocket science, guys. I've done it over and over again. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I've been able to use trending sounds to blow up my Instagram reels. Yes, I've done it so many times, and I'm going to be showing you how quickly you are able to find this trending sound without burning through your data and wasting your time scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. I'll also be sharing 5 ways to get these trending sounds for reels on Instagram, but the last one is the easiest and the most effective. Guys, please stay tuned and remember to subscribe for more videos like this. Step 1. Explore the Reels tab. The first and the most obvious place to find trending sounds on the Reels tab itself is on the Reels tab itself. Like Instagram algorithm loves to push popular content. Spend some time scrolling through Instagram. If you notice a sound being used repeatedly, that's the cue that you need. Take note of that sound, and if it fits your niche or you consider using it for your next reels, then you should. Although I do not recommend this method because personally it gets me distracted. I keep scrolling and scrolling, then sometimes I even forget what I needed to do. Step 2, check out the explore page. Yes, the explore page is another gold mine for finding sounds on Instagram, trending sounds on Instagram. Like Instagram creates this page based on what is trending, hot, and is actually relevant to your interest, especially what you have actually searched for. Here is a pro tip. When you see a reel on the explore page with a sound that catches your attention, tap on that sound and check how many other reels are using it. The more the better, but sometimes it actually indicates a trend. Sometimes another tip that I think that you should put in mind is you should use sounds with not more than 10,000 uses already. It makes your reels, it doesn't make your reels get lost in the background. Exactly. So step 3, follow trend accounts and hashtags. Yes, another way you can do this is this actually is a very great way to stay ahead of the curve. You can just go on relevant hashtags, you click on the hashtag and you click on reels under the hashtag that you have searched and scroll up. You can see accounts like reels tips, creator accounts, hashtags like trending reel sound, etc. They can be incredibly useful. Scroll up and see the sounds that is most used. Then you are able to know the latest sounds, the latest trending sound that they are using, and you can jump on it before it gets too oversaturated. Then step 4, use TikTok to predict trends. Yes, I use TikTok for trends a lot. You want to know even more, you want to get ahead of the game, use TikTok as your secret weapon. TikTok sets the stage for what is actually trending on Instagram. By identifying trending sounds on TikTok, you can predict which one will cross across to Instagram. Yes, you will know, especially sound that has traction on TikTok. There's a good chance that it will blow up on reels very, very soon. So keep an eye on that, especially if the music is of an artist music. It's most likely that it will trend on Instagram too. So keep an eye on that. 5, check Instagram's music library. This is the most effective way to get trending sounds on Instagram. When you are creating a reel, don't forget to check Instagram's very own music library. They often categorize sounds as trending, making it easy for you to find what is exactly trending, what is hot right now. And another thing is that you can just open the audio selector when making a reel and look for the trending icon next to a sound, like a tiny arrow like this. There is this new feature that I actually found out. I don't know if everybody has access to this, where you can also click on the professional dashboard on your page. You scroll down till you see trending sounds and click on it. You have access to top 50 trending sounds in your own region, alongside with the number of people who have actually used this sound. It makes it very easy to be able to use top sounds, and you can quickly jump on it. You can go viral by using that. And there you have it, guys. Those are my top tips for finding trending sounds on Instagram reels. Remember, the right sound can be the difference between a reel that flops and a reel that goes viral. Take advantage of all of these strategies that I just shared with you and watch your engagement goes from 0 to 100. Exactly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys, and subscribe for more videos like this, social media tips, and so many other videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments which tip you are going to try first, and let me know if it actually worked for you. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.